In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp plugin in WordPress. So this is a new site I have created, and I'm going to go to my dashboard, and from there I will go down to plugins and now add new plugin. And in this box, I'm going to type WhatsApp and I'm going to search for it. So this window displays the different plugins that are related to WhatsApp. So I'm just going to do a search for the term WhatsApp so that you can see which plugins are related to WhatsApp. So the first one is Social Chat. The second one is also Click to Chat, as well as the third one, 3CX Free Live Chat. The fourth one does not say anything about WhatsApp. The fifth one is also a WhatsApp plugin, Join Chat also. And if I continue to scroll down, I get other plugins that are related to WhatsApp. I believe all of these are very good WhatsApp plugins. For example, this one has 200,000 active installations. This one, Click to Chat, has 500,000 active installations, and so on. The one I'm going to install is this one here, Join Chat. It has 700,000 active installations, and the description says WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, phone call, capture users through their favorite apps and turn into clients. If I wanted to see more details, I will just click more details here, and it will open up a window that gives me more details about this plugin. I can also click the plugin homepage so that it can take me to the homepage and I can learn more about the plugin. So this is Join Chat homepage, and I'm just going to click here to switch to English, and it says turn conversations into conversions. So if I wanted to learn more about the plugin, I just have to stick on this page and read the related information. So I'm back to WordPress. I'm going to close this window here, and I'm just going to click Install Now. So it's installing my WhatsApp plugin, and it says it has been installed. What I'm going to do now is to activate it. I can activate it from here, or I can go back to the plugins section and activate it there. Let me just go ahead and activate it here. So my Join Chat plugin is active, and I can click here to go to settings. I can also reach to the settings sections on the left pane looking for the Join Chat option. So I'm just going to click Join Chat here, and it's going to take me to this page. And it tells me, hey admin, and admin is my username. Let's set up Join Chat in less than 2 minutes. Okay, let's start. So it's asking me for my phone number here. So I'm going to enter my phone number here, and I'm going to hit done. Let's continue. And here it says add the text for the first message that users will send you via WhatsApp. So it's giving me a custom message there. It says, hi site, I need more info about title and URL. So the words you're seeing in bracket, site, title, and URL, these are variables. So in this case, the message will say, hi WP Chat Solutions, I need more info about title is going to be the title of the page or the post that they are reading or coming from, and the URL for that post or page. So let me just go ahead and stick with that and hit continue with this text. And the example says, welcome to site. So that is going to be your site name. This lovely product, whichever product that you have, can be yours for only price. So product and price are also variables in this case. And I'm going to stick with the message, the call to action that is given me here. Hello, can we help you? Just to keep it simple, let me just go ahead and click continue with this text. And finally, it asks, do you want us to send you tips to improve conversions with Join Chat? And I can accept this and hit OK, keep me posted, or no thanks. So let me just go ahead, and it says great, Join Chat is up and running. Go to chat settings. So I'm going to go to the chat settings here, and as you can see, this is the information that have been entered. So it has a phone number, it also has a message. I'm just going to modify this message a little bit here. I'm just going to put hi. I'm just going to erase this variable here. Hi, I need more info about. I'm just going to leave title. I'm not going to put the URL. So the message will finally say, hi, I need more info about, and it will give me the title for that post or page. This tooltip is going to come up next to this button here, and I'm going to leave it as need help. So let me just put need help here. Need help. The position of the button, left or right. I want to just put it on the left side. I'm just going to leave this as is. Button delay 3 seconds. Mobile only. Do you want it to only appear on mobile devices? If so, just click only display the button on mobile devices. But in my case, I want it to appear on desktops as well. And on desktop, the action that I want it to follow is open directly WhatsApp web. So a lot of people use WhatsApp web on their desktop. So I'm just going to hit open directly WhatsApp web when it's on desktop. Now for the call to action message, I'm not really sure what it says this. Let me just go ahead and remove this and just type, thank you for visiting my site. Please continue now to contact me directly on WhatsApp. The button text, I'm going to leave it just as is, open chat. And that's pretty much it. So that is all on the general tab. Now I'm going to go to the visibility tab, and it says that from here you can configure on which pages the WhatsApp button will be visible. So in my case, I do not want it to show on the front page or on 404 pages or on the search results. I just want it to appear on a regular page and on the post page. I'm going to save changes here, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's see if this works. What I'm going to do is open up a browser, and from here I'm just going to type WP Chat Solutions, and in 3 seconds I shall get the WhatsApp button on the lower left corner. There you go, and I should see something that says need help, and there you go. So it's actually working, and if I just touch the button, that's the WhatsApp button, it should display a message that says, thank you for visiting my website. Please continue now to contact me directly on WhatsApp. And if I select or hit the open chat button, then it will take me directly to WhatsApp, and I can just send a message to the person. It says, hi, I need more info about my blog, and my blog is actually the name of the post. So I'm just going to hit send, and it should have already being sent to that person. So that's how you install a WhatsApp plugin in WordPress. But now just touch the screen to continue to learn more about WordPress chat solutions.